Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to keep the display on for longer on a Fitbit Charge 4. This will be an easy step-by-step tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have a Fitbit Charge 4. This is my new device, my new Fitbit Charge 4. And by default, the screen will stay on for a certain number of seconds. But sometimes you want it to stay on for longer, okay? The reason they make it so short, in my opinion, I'm assuming this is the case, is to preserve battery life. And you'll also see that when we adjust the screen time, it tells you that it will reduce battery life if you make your screen time stay on longer. So I'm assuming that they make it nice and short because most of the time you just need to see a quick glance at the time and you're good to go. You don't need it to be on for a long time, but if you want it to be on for longer, this is how you do it. So from your home screen, you want to swipe to the left, continue swiping to the left, okay, until you get to your settings. So click settings, or I should say tap settings, and scroll down. We are going to scroll to screen timeout. So I'm just trying to look through the camera and see there we go. Trying to see it through the camera. So screen timeout is set to default right now. I'm going to tap it. So once again, I'm going to tap it, okay? And it's warning me that increasing the screen time will reduce battery life, okay? No problem. I'm going to accept that warning. And now you can see it's set to medium, so it will stay on for a medium amount of time, which is a bit longer than usual, than standard. I can tap it again. Okay, once again, I get that same warning, and now it's set to a long amount of time. So this is like the longest option. Okay, if I tap it again, it goes back to default without the warning because now I'm decreasing it. So default is like short, medium is medium, long is long. You can kind of think about it in that sense. So once again, if I wanted to increase the screen timeout from default right here, I could tap it again. I understand the warning. It's telling me it's going to reduce battery life. Then it turns to medium. I could tap it one more time for the longest setting. Okay, once again, accept the warning. And now I have a long screen timeout. Okay, that's basically it. If you want to keep the display on for longer on your Fitbit Charge 4, that is how it's done. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.